Hi friends, welcome to the video lecture of Python data type. First, we are going to discuss about integer. It is a combination of positive or a negative number including 0. It can be octal or hexadecimal number. Example, 10 is a positive number, minus 98 is a negative number, O 0012 is an octal number, 0x20 is a hexadecimal number. We are having an int function which convert a string or a number, that means a float, into an integer. It removes everything after the decimal point. So I am passing 12.345 inside the int function. My value is 12. I am passing a string 123, string of single quotation 123. My output is 123. So this is a integer data type, and we will have a see the demo of the int function. So print, clear the screen, print. So I'm giving int of 12.3. okay, print of int 12.3. I'm getting value as a 12. So I'm passing 12.3 in the in function. My output is 12 is my output. It remove the fraction part. Likewise, I am printing print the int function. I am giving with a single quotation. I am giving 123. That means that I run the program. I am getting 123 here. I am getting 123 here. So the string got converted into an integer. Next, floating point number. Floating point number consists of whole number which contain decimal and fractional part. It can be written using decimal notation or scientific notation. When you give exponential, for example, when you give 3.7 e power 1, this is known as a scientific notation, which will print 37.0. So normally when you give a write a 3.7 any number like this, okay, with a fractional part, it means that it is a decimal notation. When we convert, okay, the float function which converts a string into a floating point number, for example, so here I am printing print float of, but I am giving 12.3. okay, so when I use a float function, okay, the float function will convert this string into a floating point number. For example, I am assigning a equal to float of 14.5. okay, and I want to print the data type, okay, that is type of A. So what happened, we'll check and what happened now. See, now the second the type of A is become class float because the string is converted into a floating point number. Next, we are going to discuss about the complex number. The complex number are expressed in the form of a plus bj, where a and b are the real numbers. The part j is a imaginary unit. For example, 2 plus 4j is a complex number. 2 is an a, 4 is a b, j is the imaginary part. When you pass the 2 plus 4j inside the type function, it will give you a result of the complex number. I'll show it to you. Print type of 3 plus 4j. So the class is a complex number. So this is an example for the complex number. Next is a Boolean number. Boolean, it represents a value is a true or false. When you print a true, send a true inside the Boolean, it will return inside the type function, it will return the class as a Boolean. Same way, the Boolean is to compare two values. 5 equal to 6, which will return a false. 6 greater than 3, which is true. So the Boolean which contain only two values, that is true or false, are the Boolean data type. Next, we are going to discuss about the string data type. For a string, we can use a single, double, or triple quotation. Three are possible. D equal to hello world. I am using a single quotation here. Here, X equal to welcome. I am using a double quotation. When I print X, I will get a welcome. The string function which converts the number into a string. For example, string of 12.5 will give 12.5. We'll see a demo of the same. Print type of, I am giving string of I am giving a number 12.5. Okay, so 12.5 I am giving here. This is a class string. So a number is converted into a class string. So next, and concatenation. Concatenation is the plus operator which is used to concatenate the two string. For example, I am having a wow plus Python programming, which will give a result that wow Python programming. I will show it here. So A equal to wow plus Python programming. Okay. Next line, print A. So plus is a concatenation function which concatenates the two strings. Okay. So we'll run the program and check the output. So it's concatenated. So wow Python programming is concatenated together. So this is a string data type. That's it. The basic data types are integer, an int function which converts a string or a floating point number into integer. Next is a floating point number which can be represented as a decimal or scientific notation. Float is a function which converts the string into a floating point number. Next, complex number. It contains two parts, real and imaginary part. Next is a Boolean data type which represents the value true or false. Next is a string type. So these are the basic data types, and appropriate conversion function also we have discussed in this video lecture. Thanks for watching this video lecture. Please subscribe to my channel, share and comment. Thank you.